Hi Isabella, how you doing? So I'm looking at your assignment that you handed in, and I love it. I think it looks really great. The only thing, and tell me if I'm wrong, I don't see your clipping mask reference. So I just wanted to quickly show this to you. Background. Okay, so take a look at mine. Layer in masks. Here we go. Right? So here is my clipping mask, right? You could see under the board 5, right? I layered, my first layer is the ground. My second layer is my text. And my third layer on top of that, I then put the image of the fruit, right? I click Control Alt or G for PC and Command Option G. And then the top layer, which is the fruit, embeds into the fresh, right? So you could see there, I put the layer on top, and then it goes into that. So now I have my wording with the fruit underneath it. And see how I could move that image around, right? That's what I'm looking for. So what I would like to see you do is take this road trip, right? Maybe think of an image that would go with this. I'm thinking desert or palm trees. And then layer the ground, put the wording on top, then the image, Command Option G or Control Option G, and that will put that image into your road trip, and then you got it. Okay? I hope this helps. Have a nice weekend.